MAX7219 and Arduino. Step-by-step integration tutorial. Welcome to our MAX7219 and Arduino integration tutorial. Today, you'll discover how to elevate your display projects effortlessly and accurately. Dot matrix displays are popular in DIY projects for their versatility and ease of use. These LED grids can create messages and designs, offering a creative display solution. Dot matrix displays are used in various applications like message boards, billboards, and interactive displays. Their simplicity and flexibility make them indispensable in modern electronic projects. In 2021, the global LED display market was valued at $6.3 billion, forecasted to grow 8.4% annually from 2022 to 2028, highlighting their increasing popularity. We'll simplify connecting dot matrix displays with the MAX7219 chip and interfacing the setup with an Arduino Uno, ensuring your projects are visually impressive. Whether you're experienced or a beginner, this guide will enhance your skills and knowledge, making it easier to work with dot matrix displays. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be ready to create dynamic displays, animations, and stunning visual art with MAX7219 and Arduino. Let's get started.